Hi everyone, I'm back. I'm in Taipei at the moment, and this is the Guandu Bridge. So you can see the big bridge, big red bridge, and there's the river there which leads off into Taipei city. And then you go across the bridge and you turn left, which is what I'm about to do. You go to Tamshui, which is in the north of Taipei. Yep. Surrounded by mountains as well. So I've come from my place in Luzhou, which is down that way, and I've just followed the bike path down there all the way up to this bridge, and now we're going to cross the bridge. Yes! Well, here I am in Tamshui. Hi. So it takes about an hour to cycle here from my home. It took a bit longer today because I stopped to take some pictures and I'm doing a video. I did actually do a video of this bike ride a long time ago, which is also on my YouTube channel, so you can find that. But that was pre-COVID days, which seems a long time ago now. And I am wearing a mask as I record this, and that's because Taiwan is in level 3 restrictions, which means you have to wear a mask whenever you're outside, and all of the entertainment places have closed down. So yeah, I just thought, why not get out for my exercise and do a video again. And I've recently invested in a GoPro, so I'm trying that out for the first real time now. Just need to adjust my mask. Yeah, this is the GoPro 7 Hero Black. So I'm shooting this in 2.7K 60 FPS with a wild FOV. So hopefully it looks good. And it has the hyper smooth auto stabilization. So it's 6:38 in the evening now, and I've just arrived in Tamshui, which is a really nice place to just go and chill and relax. So in the summer, everywhere is hot. But if you come to Tamshui, because you're right next to the river, it's not as hot. Still hot, but not as hot. And they've recently just done all of this bit up here, this area, so it looks nice now. Alright, let's just go over here to see what the view looks like. Beautiful. Look at that. You can just see it. I think we just missed sunset, but it's also a nice place to see the sunset. So yeah, back to COVID. Taiwan's in level 3. Highest being level 4, which we've not yet reached. Level 4 would just be full lockdown, so not even going out to work, or what I'm doing now. But it's quite more. It's busier than I expected today. But I still think going out for exercise is okay, as long as everyone wears a mask as well. So that's the end of the video for now. Thank you.